Don't mind the noise, I'm just machining some pop buster chassis. Check it out, I got a bunch of parts made. Get some more ready to go out the door, but while I was cutting material, I realized something. I kind of put this thing on the back burner, and you guys never got to really see it run. This truck is a beast. So this is the one I made with the Hobby Wing Max 4 setup, with the big motor, runs on 12S. So I took it for a ride, but then the servos went bad, or one of them went bad. So I got new servos for it. Those are over here. I just picked up some of these Savics fifth scale servos. They were like $100 a piece. Charging up these Gen 6 batteries. These are the bashing ones. 6S, so the truck runs on 12S. So I'll get these charged up, put these servos in, I'll take this thing for a spin. Okay, so everything should be good to go. I got the servo in. I just put a front one in for now, so what I did in the rear, I just made like this little lockout right here. So this is a servo saver I made. It's got 2 springs. It's locked solid though, so I just made a little bracket because honestly, whenever I ran this thing, I never really used the rear steer anyway, so just front steer for now. I'm going to be remaking these axles out of aluminum, just haven't gotten around to it because I've just been so busy making cloudbuster parts that this thing kind of just got put on hold for a little bit. But I will finish this thing, so right now I'll take it for a little spin, see how it goes. That's cool, it ran awesome. I kind of wish it wasn't snowing. It was kind of hard to get a good run in the snow. When I got it on that trail, it was just really slippery up there. It was all ice underneath there, so it was hard to keep straight. So I couldn't really open it up. I also thought there was something wrong with the differential because it almost sounded like it was clicking, but it was just a stick caught in the wheel, so that was nothing, but ran awesome. You got to see it run a little bit. Once the weather gets nicer, I'll take it for a longer run. So until next time, take care. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, bye, hit the bell.